Hey you guys, it's the Velvet Locks right now coming to you, and I'm in my recording studio right now, but I'm hungry and I have a wonderful smoothie recipe that I want to share with you right now. This is a Pina Colada banana smoothie, and you can drink this as a meal replacement. It's made with wonderful ingredients, it's delicious, it's filling, and it's for weight loss. So this is another meal replacement idea for you to implement inside your daily regimen, okay? Morning breakfast smoothie, things that you can take on the go. Some wonderful, healthy, fast meal ideas that you can put in your morning routine. You don't have to slave over the stove anymore, making all these extra stuff. Pop them in your blender and take them on your way out, all right? So let's go in the kitchen where I'm gonna show you how to make this delicioso Pina Colada banana smoothie, because your girl is hungry right now and it's time to eat. So let's go. Alright you guys, so we're in the kitchen right now, and let's get into these wonderful ingredients that you're going to need to make this wonderful Pina Colada banana smoothie. Alright, now like I said, this is a meal replacement, or you can just use it as a beverage. Now what you're going to need for this is a half a cup of fresh pineapples. You're also going to need a half of frozen or fresh bananas, which I have inside my container. It's already frozen. You're also going to need some almond breeze milk. This is a new one. This is almond milk with real bananas. This is the first time I'm seeing this, so I wanted to try it. But you can actually use your regular silk unsweetened milk. We're going to be using 2/3 cup of that. Now another thing we're going to be using is our shredded coconut. Alright, this is sweet shredded coconut, and it's going to add a nice little flavor to that, as well as your chia seeds. Now this is optional, but being that this is a breakfast smoothie, we need our fiber. So we're going to be using our chia seeds. You can even add in some flax seeds. Alright, so let's start our smoothie right now, because I'm starving. Really hungry, y'all. Alright, so we're just going to pop everything into our blender. Now it says a half of ripe or frozen banana, so being that I've already frozen my bananas, I'm just going to throw a half of that in there. Now you're going to need a half a cup of pineapples. Alright, so we're going to throw that in there. Now what we're going to need is 1 tablespoon of our shredded coconut. And I bought this at my Trader Joe's. Okay, from Trader Joe's. So we're going to be using 1 tablespoon. I'm going to put a little extra in there. I love me some coconuts. Next we're going to use a tablespoon of our chia seeds. Put that in there. And we're going to use 2/3 cup of our almond milk. Now if you want to put oatmeal in there, you're welcome to put oatmeal in there to also help keep you full longer. But then you would also need to maybe add in some more milk, or if you choose, you can put in, your ice. But if you do that, you can add in like 2/3 cup of ice, and that will make it a lot more filling. Alright, so let's blend this up right now. Okay, and it is done. It looks delicious, and it's very thick. Look at that. Okay, so yeah, if you wanted to throw in your oatmeal, you could do that, but it's going to get thicker, so you may need to use some ice or some extra milk. So let's try this out right now. Alright you guys, so let's try this right now. Tropical. You're gonna love this. It's delicious. It's a pina colada. Delicioso. This is so good, you guys. You can drink this by itself. Forget the oatmeal. This has a lot of fiber in it, okay? And it's delicious, so you're gonna enjoy this. This, like I said, is a wonderful breakfast meal replacement. You can also drink this as a snack throughout the day. If you get hungry in between your meals, this is another alternative for a snack, okay? Delicious. This is good. Listen, you guys, if you want to see more wonderful meal replacement ideas, smoothie ideas, I got them coming for you, all right? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these wonderful drink ideas, smoothie ideas for weight loss with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And you're going to enjoy this wonderful Pina Colada banana smoothie, and it's for weight loss, okay? So you're going to be on point with your weight loss journey with these wonderful beverage ideas, okay? So you guys, until the next video, I will see you then. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.